On many cold winter days, we see birds looking rather fluffy. They look bigger and more rounder than normal, like this gorgeous blue jay. She looks like she's wearing a beautiful fluffy winter coat, and she is. But this display of fluffiness is not for show. It is one of the techniques birds use to stay warm. Birds puff up or fluff up their feathers to trap pockets of air around their bodies. These pockets of air are warmed by the bird's body heat. Fluffing is the technique of creating an insulated layer of warm air around the bird's body. So when we see a fluffy bird, we're not only admiring a cute bird, we are also seeing one of the amazing techniques birds use to keep themselves warm.